The Collision Mitigation Braking System, or CMBS, is designed to alert drivers when it determines a frontal collision is possible, and if one is imminent, to apply the brakes to mitigate the severity of a possible impact. When it determines a frontal collision is possible, the system is designed to issue a visual alert in the instrument panel, vibrate the steering wheel, and make a beeping noise. CMBS uses a radar unit mounted at the front of the vehicle and a windshield-mounted camera to gauge the distance of a detected vehicle or pedestrian ahead. You can adjust the system to issue the alerts when the detected vehicle is either farther away or closer to your vehicle. Although the system shown may appear different from your vehicle's, the steps are the same. With the transmission in park and the ignition on, touch the home icon on the display audio and then select Settings. Next, choose Vehicle and Driver Assist System Setup. Touch Forward Collision Warning Distance. Now, if you want the alerts to occur when the detected vehicle is still farther away, select Long. If you want them to occur when you're closer to the detected vehicle, choose Short. After choosing, confirm your choice by touching the icon appropriate to your vehicle. If you want to turn CMBS off, press and hold the CMBS button to the left of the steering column until a beep sounds. CMBS will remain off for the duration of the drive unless you turn it back on with the same button. When the ignition is shut off and restarted, the system will default to on. CMBS may be able to slow the vehicle down, but it may not always be enough to prevent a collision. The system will not detect all possible obstacles. CMBS might deliver a false warning. As always, control of the vehicle remains with the driver. Failure to take action could result in a collision. See the owner's manual for complete system details and warnings.